Welcome to New Perfect Study Center. Today's objective based question UGC NET set exam lesson number 1 teaching aptitude. शिक्षण अभियोग्यता वरील आधारित ही क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह क्वेश्चन्स व्यवस्थितरित्या तुम्ही लक्ष देऊन पाहावेत. Number 1, which of the following comprise teaching skill? Answer number D, all of the above. Answer A, blackboard writing, questioning, explaining. Question number 2, which of the following statement is most appropriate? Answer number B, teacher's help can create in a student a desire to learn. Question number 3, the least justifiable use of the result of a standardized reading test is to. Answer number C, survey as a basis for report card marks. Question number 4, a good teacher's priority in the school shall be his. Answer number D, students. Question number 5, school is a social agency which. Answer number A, contributes to the rising of the society to a higher standard. Question number 6, and empowering schools will promote which of the following qualities the most in its teachers? Answer number D, competitive aptitude. Question number 7, a teacher should be. Answer number C, dutiful. Question number 8, the first Indian chronicle of India history was. Answer number D, Kalhan. Question number 9, which of the following statement is correct? Answer number A, syllabus is a part of a curriculum. Number 10, the most important objective of teaching is to. Answer number A, facilitate students when it comes to the constructions of knowledge and understanding. Question number 11, environmental education should be taught in school because. Answer number B, it is important part of life. Question number 12, the most important challenge before a teacher is. Answer number D, to make teaching learning process enjoyable. Question number 13, the idea that basic education is education through crafts. Answer number D, true to some extent only because the concept is deeper. 14, the term prejudice in person is colored by. Answer number A, a hasty judgment about a situation with an unfavorable. Question number 15, which of the two given option is of the level of understanding? Define noun. Define noun in your one word. Answer number B, only 2. Question number 16, which of the following is not instructional material? Answer number D, transparency. Question number 17, which of the following statement is non-correct? Answer number A, lecture method can develop reasoning. Question number 18, most important work of teacher is. Answer number A, to organize teaching work. Question number 19, gifted students are. Answer number B, independent in their judgment. Question number 20, of the following learning theories, the one that embodies the idea that the learning takes place through insight is known as. Answer number A, Gestalt theory. Question number 21, the main objective of teaching at higher education level is. Answer number B, to develop the capacity to take decision. Question number 22, which of the following statement is correct? Answer number C, reliability and validity are independent of each other. Question number 23, which of the following indicates evaluations? Answer number D, all of the above. Ram got 45 marks out of 200 marks. B, Mohan got 38% marks in English. Sham got first division in final examination. Question number 24, which of the following is not type of the learn motives? Answer number A, reflexes, habits, attitude, interest. Question number 25. Assessment of learning takes into account the following except. Answer number A, make of students. Question number 26. Which one of the following is an example of a fine motor skill? Answer number D, writing. Question number 27. Which would be the best name to start with in a nursery class? Answer number D, my family. Question number 28. Teacher uses visual aids to make learning. Answer number D, interesting. Question number 29. The teacher's role at the higher education level is to. Answer number B, promote self-learning in student. Question number 30. Which one of the following teachers would you like the most? Answer number B, having research aptitude. Question number 31. In order to install a positive environment in a primary class, a teacher should. Answer number D, not discriminate and set the same goal for every child. Question number 32. Successful inclusion requires the following except. Answer number D, segregation. Question number 33. The teachers and students in a school belong to a. Answer number B, subsystem system. Question number 34. IQ score are generally. Answer number C, highly correlated with academic performance. Question number 35. Micro teaching is most effective for the student teacher. Answer number A, during the practice teaching. Question number 36. Education is powerful instrument of. Answer number D, all the above. Social transformation, personal transformation, cultural transformation. Number 37. A teacher measures contributions towards the maximum self-realization of the students is affected through. Answer number C, sensitivity to students needs, goal and purposes. अशाच प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ हवे असल्यास आपल्या चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा.